That is just the best. Do you love Greek Pitta Yeeros but you miss it so much since you went plant-based? I have the best homemade plant-based and vegan solution for you today. You want one bag of this meat if you can get it. If not, any other kebab meat will do as long as it's plant-based. This one is in Cyprus and in Greece. I don't know where else it is in the world, but the taste is awesome. It's made of chickpeas, love it. And I'll show you how to do everything else. This is a taste sensation you're going to love and thank me for. So make sure you do hit subscribe. Sorry this recipe is not my normal healthy recipes, but I do believe in a balanced life. This is not totally unhealthy. You've got a whole cucumber in there, you've got a tomato in there, you've got an onion in there.
For us, this is a quick summer afternoon snack as a treat. Ready in 10. I know it's tradition to add a few chips, and I do make seriously yummy chips, but I normally make this gyro without. It's healthier and it's way quicker to make. The amount of my version of vegan tzatziki I'm making today would fill 4 of these small pittas great, unless you want your pitta swimming in tzatziki, which is seriously yummy, but less healthy. I'm grating 1 typical small Greek cucumber, use half a regular UK cucumber. I remove the excess water from the grated cucumber with a clean tea towel, because I like a thick tzatziki. Press it, squidge it, wring it, get that water out. My version of vegan tzatziki is super easy and how we like tzatziki to taste. I add my cucumber, 4 heaped tablespoons of vegan mayo, and crush 2 small cloves of garlic. I've never found a vegan yogurt that works as well as this mayo in tzatziki. And mix it up. Add any herbs you enjoy in your tzatziki, and you're good to go. For 2 pittas, I cut half a small onion into slices. If your tummy is sensitive like mine, avoid the raw onion. I cut half a tomato into thin slices. Half a sheet of baking parchment paper is perfect to tightly wrap your pitta gyro so you can eat it on the go. For 2 pittas, I'm heating half a bag of this plant-based kebab meat. The whole bag makes 4 or 5 pitta gyros, just perfect. For my oven, I preheat to about 220 degrees C, add the kebab meat, cook for 6 minutes, turning regularly. I grill my pitta so it's toasted on the outside, but still scrumptiously soft and pliable. For the best pitta wrap, line the grooves in your pitta, perfect for rolling. Cover your pitta with as much tzatziki as you fancy. Add as much tomato and onion to your taste. And finally, add as much kebab meat as will fit. I like a sprinkle of oregano. Carefully fold, roll and tightly wrap. Twist the bottom to hold and prevent any drippage. And that's my method to make a super tasty plant-based vegan gyros. I share my new tasty vegan plant-based recipes weekly. Like and subscribe for weekly recipe inspo. I hope you try and love this recipe. Have a beautiful day and I'll see you next time.